Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Right guys, today we are going to be playing with some origami butterflies and I will show you how to make some fabulous little craft. Very easy, simple to make. Keep watching guys and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we're going to be making some of these origami butterflies. They're very easy to make. I've done 3. They are exactly the same size, but as you can see they're slightly different because it all depends on the last step, how you fold this cord line. So I fold this very extremely down, while I fold this I stop there, but everything will make sense when you see the tutorial in a minute. What am I going to do, and I'll show you at the end of the video, I'm going to put some gold wax on this to make it quite dramatic. Just for this sake, I have used my opulent ephemera papers, which is the papers you see on my website. It's got all collages, so you've got all different elements, and I recommend when you do these origami videos trying to pick something that's got quite a lot of colors in it, quite a lot of different colors, because the beauty of it, when you fold the lines you see all the different patterns. Nothing stops you. If you want to have a plain butterfly, you can use, I don't know, any plain paper, so just have one color. But I do like when you see all different, you know, all different colors and different part of it. So I recommend use something guys that you've got different prints and different textures. So once you fold the butterflies, you've got these really nice details. Okay, if you guys wanted to, maybe next week we do a separate video. We show you how to make some embellishment with this. But if you are interested, leave me a comment down below. Just say yes, or show us some ways to use them, because I thought it would be nice to make some really nice clusters, maybe with some Tim Holtz paper dolls, just to give it something a bit different. Leave me a comment down below, so I'll show you the tutorial now. Okay ladies and gents, let's do it. So we need a piece of paper as thin as possible, which is this side is twice the size as that. So mine is 14 by 7, which is in inches is 5.5 by 2 3/4. So it doesn't really matter the dimension, but this one is got to be twice the length of this one, this side here. So we fold it in half on the long side, so you get a really nice strip, and then we open it and then we fold it in half vertically. Okay, so you get something that looks like that, and then we fold it the two, so this is the score line that you got in the middle, so we fold the 2 corners inwards. So it's like you make a paper plane. Oh, we love paper planes. Oh, actually, we used to make paper boats as well with this, because what you would do, would you lift it? But I don't want to distract you. So yeah, so you fold the 2 corner inwards, and then we open it. So you guys need to have something that looks like that. So you've got 1 score line there, 1 there, and 2 vertical score lines. Okay, so what we need to do, you see this X, so there's like an X there. So we need to fold those 2 diagonal line inwards. Okay, so what I do, I use this finger here to kind of like give me the pinch, and then I'll fold those 2 again, and then fold it like that. Okay, so you got something that looks like this. Okay, so the 2 diagonal line, you fold them inwards. Okay, just like that. I open it one more time. Okay, so the X folded. Turn it over so the point is facing you, and then you fold this there. Okay, and then you open it and fold in it. Okay, So you get these two things. So one is like that, one flap is like that. So open it up and folding it the other way around. So you get those two. So the two flaps that we've done, you see those ones and this one there are inside. So imagine like you got this two opening. Okay, so I'll do it one more time. So this is what we did with folding it, and then open it up and then fold in the opposite corner, so you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, so what we need to do, because what you need to remember, we don't need to see any white bit. Okay, so open it up and fold this strip inwards. Okay, and then we do the same on this side, so that folding inwards. Okay, so you don't see, guys, any white bit, so you end up with a corner there and the two flaps. Okay, so I'll show you one more time when it's open. So what you need to do, guys, now you need to fold this corner here inwards, and this will basically give you the fold of the wing. So this is totally up to you. The more further down you go, the bigger the wing will be. So press it down. You need to be quite hard on this now. Okay, and then you, once you set that score line, you open it back up, and then you pinch it that down, the score line we've just done. So I'll show you on this side. So open this up and then pinch it on the other way around. Okay, so I'll show you one more time. Open that and then fetch that down. Make sure that's folded inwards. This is not plain. Okay. And that's your butterfly. So that's 3. So you can do anything that you want with this now. I'm going to put some gold wax around because I quite like my butterflies to be quite dramatic, if you're making sense. This one thing I want to tell you guys, anything that you got, let me zoom out, make sure that the printer side, okay, is when you start, the printer side is always facing you, because if you start folding when they're printed inwards, you're just going to get a white butterfly. Okay, so if you want the printer to be on top, you just need to make sure when you start folding, you fold with the printer side of the paper facing you, not facing the desk. Okay, so remember that's really important, because if not, you're gonna get a white butterfly. Okay guys, so I have done one completely plain excuse me, so you can see what it looks like when you got like a plain paper. This is a cardstock. It's a really thin cardstock, hence why you probably see the score lining quite highlighted. But yeah, it's completely up to you if you like plain ones, so if you like printer version, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's your choice. I definitely think we might do some videos together, yeah, next week. I just want to play and see what we can make with those. I just hope you like them, guys. And so I know it looks complicated, but maybe watched it a few times, and I will probably say shush me, yeah, mute me, because sometimes when I watch other origami videos, all origami videos I watch have got music on the background, so sometimes I mute it, and actually easier for me to see watching them making the actual butterfly or whatever they're making without the music on the background. So if you find it easy, mute me and just look at what I did. So, but again, it all depends how you fold the last step, so you get thinner wings or longer, thicker wings. It's completely up to you. Depends what sort of effect do you want. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video doing well, because you're telling YouTube that you love what I made, and also help with the algorithm. So yes, big thumbs up, thank you. Also guys, there is plenty of origami tutorial on my channel, but I think if you want something very similar, different inspiration, different ideas how to create some gorgeous butterflies, I will put the link here on the screen, so you just need to click on it and then we'll take you straight to that video. Thank you so much for watching guys once again, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.